If you would like to recover your deleted messages on Telegram, you might think of opening your Telegram app, going to the options at the top right corner. You have those three dashes there, and go to settings, and you might find it a bit frustrating to find a solution here. But for the mobile version, there are some options that cannot be found here. So we have to download the PC version. So right here in the PC version, I just downloaded the app and now it's installed and ready for use. Here in the PC version, at the top left corner, you have to click on the three bars there and select settings. So when you select settings, you're going to have some options here, and we're going to look for advanced. Now on the mobile version, for Android at least, there is no advanced, so you have to select advanced. And now we're under advanced, we're going to look for an option that helps us to export our data. At the bottom here, there is the export Telegram data. When we click on that Telegram data, we have account information, contact lists, story archive, and other things. So you have chat export settings. So we're going to unselect these other boxes here, and we have chat export settings. So you have personal chats, you have private group chats, and other types of chats that you may be interested in. You have your media and your photos, your videos. So if we're just having only messages, we can unselect everything and just have the personal chats and the private group chats, right? And then of course you could say only my messages, or you could unselect this to also download the other messages from others in the group. So after that has been selected, you have to come down here and select the file version. So after selecting this version, I'm selecting the HTML, which is human readable as it says, and then it shows the path, download Telegram desktop. So when I click export, it's going to export it to this location, and then I could access it from there. So that's how you can actually find your deleted messages or other messages in your WhatsApp by following these steps. And hopefully you get to find your messages there.